How to remove your Facebook page description. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your Facebook page and not to your Facebook profile. If you were signed in to your Facebook profile, then firstly switch to your Facebook page in order to make any further changes to your Facebook page. So now, in order to remove the description of your page, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your page name. Once you have opened your page, tap on the page description you see there right below your name, and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for remove. So tap on the remove option you see there and then refresh your page, and with this, as you can see, the Facebook page description has been removed. So this is how you can remove your Facebook page description. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.